Hello everyone, welcome back to Learnix channel. Today we are going to learn about basic operations in Excel. Now let us see how to enter data in Excel. First, click on any cell, then type the data using the keyboard. After typing, press enter to move to the next row. If you press the tab key, the cursor will move to the next column. This is the basic way to enter data in Excel. In Excel, we can enter different types of data. Text data includes name and words. Number data includes marks, salary, or quantity. Date and time data includes dates and time values. Excel automatically understands the type of data we enter. If you want to change the data in a cell, you can edit it. Double-click on the cell to edit the content. You can also use the formula bar at the top. After making changes, press enter to save the edited data. To delete data from a cell, select the cell and press the delete key. This will remove only the data, not the cell itself. The cell will remain empty and can be used again. To delete an entire row, right-click on the row number and select delete. To delete a column, right-click on the column letter and choose delete. This will completely remove the selected row or column. Clear content removes only the data inside the cell. Delete removes the entire cell, row, or column. Always choose the correct option to avoid losing important data. Cut, copy, and paste are used to duplicate or move data. These options help us work faster and avoid retyping the same data. The copy command is used to duplicate data. Select the cell and press Ctrl+C. The original data will remain in the same place. You can paste it anywhere you want. The cut command is used to move data. Select the data and press Ctrl+X. The data will be removed from the original location and can be pasted in a new place. To paste copied or cut data, select a cell and press Ctrl+V. The data will appear in the selected cell. Paste helps us reuse or move data easily. Paste special gives more control while pasting data. You can paste only values or only formats. This option is useful when you do not want formulas or styles. Autofill is a powerful Excel feature that saves time. It helps to automatically fill numbers, dates, or text. We can use it instead of typing data again and again. To use autofill, select a cell with data. Move the mouse to the small square at the bottom corner of the cell. Click and drag it down or sideways. Excel will automatically fill the data. For example, Excel can fill number series like 1, 2, 3. It can fill dates automatically. It can also fill months like January, February, and March. Undo is used to cancel the lost action. The shortcut key for undo is Ctrl+Z. Redo is used to repeat the undone action. The shortcut key for redo is Ctrl+Y. Undo and redo help us correct mistakes easily. They save time and improve accuracy while working in Excel. It is very important to save your work. Press Ctrl+S to save the file. Saving regularly helps to prevent data loss. Save as is used to save the file with a new name or in a new location. It is also used to change the file format. The shortcut key for save as is F12. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.